Today, we're checking out the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at when visiting the breathtakingly gorgeous Barcelona. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comment. All the links to each property will be in the description. Also, make sure to watch until the end. You are not going to want to miss out on what a paradise the #1 Airbnb in Barcelona is. Everyone knows Barcelona as the cosmopolitan capital of Spain's Catalonia region. It's famous for its significant art and architecture, as well as famous landmarks such as the Sagrada Familia Church, Museo Picasso, and Fundació Joan Miró. But you're going to need a place to stay in this historic coastal city. Luckily, Barcelona is home to some of the most charming homes in the world. Here are the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at in Barcelona. Number 5. Villa Victoria, Barcelona. Are you ready for a one-of-a-kind experience? Your future includes taking pictures of the beautiful streets of the Barri Gòtic, strolling down Las Ramblas, tasting Catalan cuisine, having your breath taken away by the famous Sagrada Familia Church, and staying in one of Barcelona's finest homes. Clocking in at 8 bedrooms and 7.5 baths, this villa can accommodate you and 15 of your closest friends for an unforgettable vacation. You have nearly 6,000 square feet of living space and 3 spacious, neatly decorated floors at your disposal. An elegant foyer will showcase the villa's sweeping marble staircase, as well as countless and priceless antique decorations such as fashionable Chinese vases. A spacious, stylish living room is the next step, where sophisticated leather sofas allow you to sit back and enjoy the 60-inch television. This opens up to the main dining room that utilizes both sleek, modern, and vintage furnishing. Next, a modern contemporary kitchen will take your breath away. Again, there are 8 incredible bedrooms with 15 beds, most of them coming with their own lavish ensuite bathroom and either their own terrace or access to balconies, perfect to curl up and stargaze or look out at the beautiful city. Entertainment-wise, this villa has it in abundance, with a loft-style game room, plenty of sofas, a bar, a pool table, a foosball table, a table tennis table, and board games available. There is no shortage of activities for a fun night in. And that's not all. Outdoor features include a magnificent swimming pool, accompanied by a jetted jacuzzi and a poolside shower. You'll also find a chill-out space on the second-floor terrace. All of this can be yours for just $977 a night. Number 4. Villa Isla Cozumel. Ready for an exclusive property located in one of Spain's most sought-after and exclusive coastal towns? Look no further than Villa Isla Cozumel. First of all, we have to talk about the elevator. A beautiful and shiny addition to the house that makes it all the more unique. But before we get to that, let's discuss the prime location. The Sitges City Beach is within your reach, along with a plethora of charming local restaurants, upscale cafes, elegant wine bars, and numerous parks and churches. The villa's floor-to-ceiling windows let in rays of Mediterranean sunlight. The palm trees, colorful gardens, and sprawling lawns make the villa all the more picturesque. A total of 6 bedrooms and 7 baths are featured in the home. Each of them comes with an ensuite bathroom, shower, and bathtub, as well as a television and access to balconies. Whether you're in the master bedroom or bedroom number 5, you'll have a spectacular view of either the Mediterranean or the garden. You can relax on the plush sofas of the sitting room, but the outdoor area deserves equal attention. You can take your breakfast and morning cafe out to the shaded outdoor dining area that seats up to 14 individuals, where the sprawling grounds and the sparkling pool lie just ahead of you. A barbecue sits off to the side, waiting for you to fire it up with some fresh fish and vegetables from the market. Sun loungers and a pool bar round up the outdoor features. Are you up to take advantage of the sunlight and the beautiful Catalonian coast? Then you can book this paradise for $1,283 a night. Number 3. Almiral de la Font. The postcard-perfect countryside of Sitges is waiting for you at Almiral de la Font. Here, you and 15 guests can luxuriate in the magic of Barcelona in this 11-bedroom and 11-bath home. This villa is no ordinary home. It's a protected building, one that was built before 1592 and renovated in 1800. It's regarded as an admirable landmark in the Garraf area, having been previously used for winemaking and farming. Now, you get to reap the rewards from decades of renovation. All the original, charming details are still there. They're just more enhanced with modern features. This Catalan manor stands tall on a hillside, offering views of the Garraf National Park, sprawling mountains, and the breathtaking sea. You have access to 350 acres full of colorful plants and walnut, almond, pear, and olive trees. The 2-story manor is suited for large groups and couples. It features a private home theater, a wine cellar, several terraces, and an elegant Moroccan lounge. A heated pool waits for you to have some downtime after a long day of sightseeing, and an even more luxurious jacuzzi is off to the side. History seeps from every detail and wall. It exists in the rustic stone walls, the colorful furniture, the soothing palette, and the unique bedrooms and suites. The 10 bedrooms, which can accommodate up to 28 guests, are themed. There's the West Wing, the Classic Suite, the Japanese Room, the Ochre Room, the Bali Room, the East Wing, Margalo, the Gold Suite, Montserrat, and the Mediterranean Suite, all alternating between sea and mountain views. This storybook cottage can be your next holiday destination for $1,596 a night. Number 2. Can Parés. Ready for a 16th century private gated and lush location? Can Parés will exceed all your expectations. It is 10 bedrooms, 13 beds, and 6.5 baths made of dreams. Located in the desirable and exclusive El Garraf region of Spain, you have the beach village of Sitges and Vilanova just a short drive away. Once you're charmed by the sprawling vineyards, botanic grounds, trees, and vibrant landscaping, you can step into the gated villa. The ocean awaits on the horizon. Can Parés is unique from all its neighbors. It's divided into 3 glorious buildings. It's the main villa whose history can be traced back to the 16th century, something that you'll recognize as you enter the cavernous entrance hall with its stone arches. Now it's time to check out the outdoor features, which are extensive to say the least. A 15 by 9 meter crystal blue swimming pool is ready for a dive. You can book this experience for just $1,665 a night. Number 1. Luxury Paliseta. Are you ready for a chic, elegant urban retreat? The Luxury Paliseta is just a few minutes away from the bustling Barcelona. Few apartments can boast as much magnificence as this palatial space. Think plush furniture, antiques, grand chandeliers, crown moldings, handmade curtains, and more. The number of bedrooms amounts to a total of 3 spacious bedrooms with 4.5 baths by their side, fit for up to 8 guests, all of whom can gather around the large, beautiful dining table for some quality time as you share a meal. Then, you can retire to the plush living room, where soothing white sofas are anchored by colorful and vibrant decor. A library packed full of books is there whenever you need some time alone. Now, the bedrooms. Each is more spectacular than the last, but it's the master's king-size bed and lavish ensuite bathroom that draw the most attention. After a day on Barcelona's charming beaches, an afternoon of eating paella and tapas in local restaurants, and seeing famous landmarks, you can come back to sip on some premier cava and gin in this urban haven, which you can book for $3,095 a night. Overall, if you're looking for a place that has it all, memorable people, breathtaking architecture, and amazing homes, Barcelona is the perfect destination for your next trip. This group of Airbnbs serve as the best places to stay in the whole country, so don't miss out. Pack your bags and get ready for the stay of a lifetime. Want to see more top Airbnbs around the world? Click on this video next.